Next we are discussing bipart definite integration. Okay, so we already discussed bipart integration in indefinite integration, but in definite integration how to apply that formula, that I am discussing here. So here we are taking integration of a to b fx into g dash x dx. This function we are taking. So here first thing is what, we have to apply Eilert rule and we have to find out integrating function. Okay, so here if you apply Eilert, so g dash x we will take integrating function. Okay, g dash x will take integrating function because g dash x integration with respect to x is what, gx. Okay, or we can say that g dash x is what, differentiation of gx. Okay, so here this one will take integrating function. Integrating function. Okay, and fx will take differentiating function. So how to apply Eilert rule? Okay, that we know. Now we are doing integration. So what will come here? Fx is what, outside integration of g dash x dx. Okay, and we will apply limit a to b minus big integration. Then here you have to apply limit a to b. Then we will differentiate fx. So in bracket d by dx of fx into integration of gx g dash x dx, and outside will be dx. You can see here we are not applying limit. Okay, limit is applying here only, correct? Now what you will do, this one what will come, fx integration of g dash x dx is what, gx. This will come what, a to b minus big integration, limit is here only, a to b d by dx of fx. So this is what, f dash x integration of g dash x dx is what, gx and dx. Okay, so this one you have to solve further. Now here what you will do, first we have to put upper limit b. So here what will come, f of b into g of b minus, we have to put lower limit here a. So what will come, f of a g of a. This will come minus, again this one we have to solve. Either we have to use, suppose this one directly integration we can do, that is okay, but if we have to use bipart, so same way you have to follow bipart again. So this one is what, minus a to b f dash x gx and dx. Okay, so you can see here how we are applying integration a to b fx into g dash x dx. Next we are discussing a very important problem, that is if gx is inverse of fx and fx has domain 1 to 5 where f of 1 equal to 2 and f of 5 equal to 10, then find the value of integration 1 to 5 fx dx plus integration 2 to 10 gy dy. So this one value we have to find out. So in this problem, important point is what, if gx is inverse of fx. Okay, so whenever gx is inverse of fx, then how to solve? Okay, so here solution. So first thing you have to understand what is the meaning of gx is inverse of fx. Okay, that means this is what, x-axis, this is y-axis. We know inverse function. Okay, inverse function is what, mirror image of with respect to y equal to x. Okay, so this graph is suppose y equal to fx. Then if you take mirror image of y equal to fx with respect to y equal to x, then we will get inverse of fx. That means we will get this one. Okay, so this y equal to fx mirror image with respect to y equal to x is what, this one. Okay, this is what, y equal to f inverse x. Okay, so in this one what we are saying, that gx is inverse of fx. That means gx is inverse of fx. Okay, that means fx inverse is what, this one, and this is nothing but what, gx. So what we are saying here, gx is nothing but what, f inverse x. Okay, so we are saying that this function is what, y equal to gx. Okay, so fx inverse is what, gx. Okay, so here we can say that if fx mirror image what this one, then gx mirror image what this one. So here we can say that this is nothing but y equal to g inverse of x. Why? Because gx mirror image with respect to y equal to x will come this one. That means we can say that this function is what, y equal to g inverse x. So from here we can say that if fx inverse is gx, then gx inverse we can say fx. So from here we can say that fx equal to what we can say, g inverse of x. This we can say, correct? So if this one is given, gx is inverse of fx, so we can say that fx is inverse of gx. That means gx equal to f inverse x and fx equal to g inverse x we can say. So this is a very important point because both are mirror image with respect to y equal to x. Okay, this point we will use here. This point we will use here. So what point is here? See, f of 1 equal to 2. Okay, f of 1 is what? 2. Then what will come? 1 equal to what will come? F inverse 2. 1 equal to what will come? F inverse 2. Now here if I put here 2, so f inverse 2 equal to what? G of 2 will come. Correct now? So this one we can write g of 2. So we can say g of 2 equal to what? 1. Okay, so from here we can say that g of 2 equal to what? 1. Similarly, f of 5 equal to 10. Okay, f of 5 equal to 10. Then from here we can say that 5 equal to what? F inverse 10. Okay, now here f inverse 10, that means in this one if you put x value 10, so f inverse 10 equal to what? G of 10 will come. That means this one we can write g of 10. So from here what will come? G of 10 we can write as what? G of 10 we can write as what? 5. This will come. Okay, so these two things is clear. Okay, now we have to integrate this one. Okay, so here integration 1 to 5 fx dx plus integration 2 to 10 gy dy, integration 2 to 10 gy dy. Okay, so here we are integrating with respect to y. So this value is what? Y equal to 2 to y equal to 10. Okay, so g of y. Okay, so g of y we can write what? F inverse y. Okay, from here. Okay, so g of y we can write as what? F inverse y. Okay, so here g of y we can write F inverse y, and this one we can take as what? T. This one we can take T. G of y we can write F inverse y, and this one we are assuming T. Now we are taking these two. Okay, so from here y equal to what we can write? F of t. Y equal to what we can write? F of t. Then from here if you differentiate this one with respect to y, so y differentiation dy, f of t differentiation with respect to what you will do? With respect to t. Correct? Y differentiation what will come? Dy, and f of t differentiation what will come? F dash t dt. This will come. Okay, so first of all these things is what? Y equal to 2 to y equal to 10. Okay, so here also we have to convert this limit in terms of t. Correct? So how to find out? See, if I put y equal to 2 here, okay, y equal to 2 here, yeah, here you can put. Okay, so here if I put y equal to 2, so g of 2 equal to t. What is g of 2? So g of 2 is what? 1. So t value what will come? 1. So this is lower limit. Okay, and g of 10 equal to 5. Correct? So here y equal to 10. So if I put y equal to 10, what will come? G of 10 equal to t. G of 10 equal to t. So from a t value what will come? T value what will come? G of 10 is what? 5. So t value what will come? 5. This is upper limit. This is upper limit. So this integration, how it will become? Integration 1 to 5 fx dx plus integration, okay, y equal to 2 to y equal to 10. This one we have to convert in terms of t. So lower limit what will come? 1, t equal to 1 to t equal to 5. Okay, this will come what? g of y. Okay, so g of y, what you can write? T. G of y we can write t, and dy. So from here dy, what we can write? F dash t dt. So this one we can write f dash t dt. Okay. So here what we are doing? Here instead of t we are putting what? X. Okay. So in this integration instead of t we are putting x. Okay. So what will come here? dt equal to dx will come. So this integration will become what? Integration 1 to 5 fx dx plus integration. Okay. So here t we are writing x. So limit also what will come? If I put t equal to 1, so x value what will come? 1. And if I put t value 5, then x value what will come? 5. And here what will come? X f dash x dx. This will come. Okay. Now we will integrate. Okay. So this one we are taking as it is, integration 1 to 5 fx dx plus. Here we are applying by parts. So this one we are taking integrating, this one as differentiating. So x is outside, integration of f dash x will do. So this will come what? Fx. Then you have to put limit 1 to 5 minus big integration. Okay, 1 to 5 x differentiate what? 1, and f dash x integration what will come? Fx dx. This will come. So here you can see this is getting cancelled. So here if I put here 5, so what will come? 5 into f of 5 minus, if I put here 1, so what will come? 1 into f of 1. This will come. So f of 5, so f of 5 is what? 10. So if I put here 10, so what will come? 50 minus f of 1 is what? F of 1 is 2. So what will go? 50 minus 2. So 48. This is your answer. So integration of 1 to 5 fx dx plus integration of 2 to 10 gy dy. This one value what will come? 48. This is your answer. Now we will discuss shortcut. Shortcut. What is shortcut? If gx is inverse of fx and fx has domain a to b, where f of a equal to what? C, and f of b equal to d, then integration a to b fx dx plus integration c to d. Okay, f of a is what? C, so here is c, and f of b is what? D, so here is coming d, and fx inverse is what? Gx, so what will come here? Gx dx. This value what will come? Multiplication of upper limit b into d, so what will come? Bd minus lower limit multiplication what will come? A into c, what will come? AC, BD minus AC. Okay, so this we can remember. Okay, so how to write this one again? A to b fx dx plus integration, what is c? F of a, so this will come what? F of a, and what is b? What is d? F of b, and here we have f inverse x dx. Okay, so this value what will come? B into f of b, minus a into f of a, into f of a. This is your answer. Next we are discussing example. Example is integration 0 to 1 e power root over e power x dx plus 2 times integration e power. Next we are discussing example. Example is integration 0 to 1 e power root over e power x dx plus 2 times integration e to e power root t ln of ln x dx. So this integration we have to solve. Now solution. Okay, so first thing what we can check, whether this is fx and this is f inverse x, we can check. Okay, suppose this type of integration is coming and this is very complicated. Okay, then one thing is there, we can check that whether this is what fx and this is f inverse x is possible or not. Okay, so this one we are taking fx. Fx equal to what? E power root over e power x. Okay, so first we will find out inverse function of this one. Okay, so fx we will take what? Y into equal to e power root over e power x. So here first thing here we will take log. So this will come out ln y equal to root over e power x. Then we will do square. So what will come? Ln y whole square equal to e power x. Then again we will take log. So what will come in? Ln of ln y whole square equal to x will come. So this is your inverse. Okay, this is your inverse. But we want inverse function. So what you will do, if you want inverse function, then what you will do, instead of y you will put x and instead of x you will put y. Okay, so for finding inverse function, replace x with y and y with x. Replace x with y and y with x. Okay, see this is your inverse, but we want inverse function. So what we will do, replace x with y and y with x. So what will come here? Ln of ln x whole square equal to y. So this is your inverse function. Okay, so this is nothing but gx. Okay, so gx is what? Ln of ln x whole square. Okay, or we can write this one what? F inverse of x also. Clear? Okay, so what we got? F inverse x is what? Okay, this is what? Ln of ln x whole square. Ln of ln x whole square. So here we can use log property. Okay, if I have ln m power n, so this one we can write n log m. This one we can write. So this one we can write 2 times ln in bracket ln x. Okay, so you can see that this is what? F inverse x. Okay, you can see this 2 we can take 2 times ln of ln x, we can write f inverse x. Okay, so this one integration will become 0 to 1. This is what? Fx dx plus integration. Okay, see fx is what? This one. Okay, fx is what? This one. So first thing is what is f of 0? F of 0, what will come? F of 0, e power root over e power 0. Okay, e power root over e power 0. So e power 0 is what? 1. So what will come here? E will come. Okay, next is what? If you put 1 here, so what will come here? F of 1. F of 1 is what? E power root over e. This will come. Okay, so you can say this is what? E. So e is what? F of 0. Correct? This is f of 0 and this is nothing but what? E power root e. This is f of 1 and this is what? 2 times ln of ln x, what? F inverse x dx. Okay, so this is what? Shortcut only we can use here. So this value what will come? 1 into f of 1, 1 into f of 1 minus 0 into f of 0. So 0 into f of 0. So what is the answer? F of 1. And what is f of 1? F of 1 is what? E power root e. So this is what? E power root e. This is your answer.